The impact that they can have is really huge. There are students here who wouldn't be here without the support of some of our donors. There's research projects on health, well-being that wouldn't be done without the support of our donors. Much of what we do is in partnership, and many of our best partners are those people who come back and help our university. People who may have studied here in the past, people who might live locally, people who just recognise we're a fantastic institution trying to do real good for our community.
The impact, I mean, I can't describe that in words. My mentor, Mark, he's been amazing at supporting me these past few months. When you have somebody that believes in you and is able to pick up on your blind spots as well, the personal development aspect of that as well is very, very impactful. But I'd like to thank everybody that has contributed to this mentorship program, as without their support and without their funding, without their contributions, young people like myself wouldn't have a chance of an even brighter future.
I want to thank everyone that has donated to Swansea University. Your donation has really helped me, and you've actually helped my life in regards to my academics. I had no issue with money, and having access to the hardship grants with the university has made me a graduate, and I'm happy to be a graduate with master's distinction in mechanical engineering.
I'm honoured to be a scholar here at Swansea, pursuing a bespoke education which will, I hope, set me up for a great and memorable career. I'm just one of countless other students that are able to chase and fulfill their potential, their ambition, as a result of the very kind donations and support from people like you. And on behalf of all current university students, I'd like to extend my sincerest thanks to you all. Thank you.